Navigating language. Understanding prepositions in English. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of English grammar. Today, we'll dive deep into a very crucial part of English language: prepositions. Prepositions may be small words, but they hold huge significance in shaping our sentences. A preposition is a word or group of words that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. This relationship could indicate direction, place, time, manner, or amount. For instance, let's consider the sentence, "The cat is on the table." Here, on is a preposition that indicates the relationship between cat and table. It gives us information about the cat's location in relation to the table. There are mainly three types of prepositions. 1. Time prepositions. These are used to indicate time. For instance, in, on, at. 2. Place prepositions. These are used to indicate place. For instance, in, at, on, under. 3. Direction prepositions. These are used to indicate direction. For instance, to, towards, through. It is interesting to note that certain prepositions like in, on, and at can be used for both time and place. The context of the sentence determines their function. Prepositions are usually placed before nouns or pronouns. This is why they are called prepositions. But remember, in English, prepositions can sometimes appear at the end of the sentence, especially in informal language or in certain types of questions and phrases. An example is, "Who are you going with?" Here, with is a preposition that comes at the end of the sentence. One more thing to remember about prepositions is that their meaning is often context-dependent. The same preposition can have different meanings in different sentences. For example, the preposition on could mean on top of or connected to, based on the context. In the sentence, "The book is on the table," on means on top of. In another sentence, "I saw it on television," on means connected to or via. Understanding prepositions is crucial in mastering English grammar as they help us navigate meaning and context in our sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using them in your daily conversations and writing. We hope this video has been helpful in your quest to conquer English grammar. See you in our next video, where we will explore conjunctions. Happy learning!